Tripp in the building, rolling through the city. Bluvall R700 fully charged. Let's get it. Bill don't back strapped down, got a delivery to make. But these idiots on the road about to make me lose my mind. Look in your motherfucking mirrors. Yeah. Let's go. Cruising down Main Street, clocking in the miles. Got a hot bag of takeout, trying to bring some smiles on my Bluvall R700 e-bike cutting through the lane. But these regular ass drivers are a special kind of pain. I'm hitting 25, keep it steady in my zone while some clown in a Honda is staring at their phone. No blinker, no warning, just a sudden drift right. Almost pinned me to the curb, had to squeeze the brakes tight. Are you blind? Are you dumb? Did you buy your license online? I'm a human on a bike trying to make it down. You're encased in a ton of steel, blasting your AC while I'm dodging your recovery pits, dodging your apathy. Look in your mirrors, your motherfucking mirrors. It couldn't be simple, it couldn't be clearer. Pay attention to the road, check your left and your right before you cause a wreck or you end someone's life. Dumbass drivers everywhere I see. Get off your phone and watch out for me. Yeah, look in your motherfucking mirrors. Now I'm turning down Broadway, got a stacked order now, gotta keep the pace up. But I gotta ask how, when this Karen in an SUV decide to double park, doesn't check the blind spot, leaves a permanent mark on my patience. Man, she opens up the door straight out, I had to swerve into traffic, hit a horn, blowing shout, roaring the cyclist. Yeah, you think it's a joke till you see the Bluvall frame and my tires go up in smoke. You morons are oblivious, living in a bubble. Every single shift you cause a whole lot of trouble. You're putting on makeup, you're eating a burger too, while I'm out here delivering, trying to get through. Look in your mirrors, your motherfucking mirrors. It couldn't be simpler, it couldn't be clearer. Pay attention to the road, check your left and your right before you cause a wreck or you end someone's life. That dumbass drivers everywhere I see. Get off your phone and watch out for me. Yeah, look in your motherfucking mirrors. Hold up. Let's break it down for a second. For all the people in the back who can't seem to drive, listen to the yards, to the mud and humming as I ride. I got the right of way, but you forced me to hide behind the fence and riding every second, every street, wondering if the next intersection's where we meet. Because you can't take 2 seconds just to look behind. Is a basic safety check really that hard to find? I'm Tripp. Yeah, I see every single move, and right now you're driving is ruining the groove. It's 5 p.m. rush hour, the worst of the worst. Every moron on the asphalt thinks they gotta go first, merging without looking, cutting across 3 lanes. Honestly, the stupidity is hurting my brain. I got timer ticking down on my screen, but I'm dealing with the blindest drivers I've ever seen. You look straight ahead like you're wearing some blinders. Consider this track one of your finer reminders. To your turn, it's fast, but it's not a tank. If you hit me cause you're lazy, there's no one else to thank but your own damn self and your lack of awareness. I'm demanding some respect and a little bit of fairness. Look in your mirrors, your motherfucking mirrors. It couldn't be simpler, it couldn't be clearer. Pay attention to the road, check your left and your right before you cause a wreck or you end someone's life. Dumbass drivers everywhere I see. Get off your phone and watch out for me. Yeah, look in your motherfucking mirrors. Yeah, Tripp sees you. I see you texting, I see you drifting. I see you completely ignoring the bike lane.